Hello and welcome to my channel, IKnowGadgets. Today, we're going to talk about a versatile mini air pump designed for bicycles. This SN air pump is a multifunctional pump that comes with an electronic screen to display the tire pressure intuitively. It has a maximum tire pressure display of 150 psi, which is perfect for easily assessing tire status. This pump also supports 4 common air pressure units, making it easy to choose the right unit for your needs. With 5 different valves, it is not limited to bicycles only and can be used on various other products that require inflation. The SN air pump is lightweight and portable, with a detachable handle that adds to its functionality. The 4,000 mAh power supply composed of 18,650 batteries makes it an ideal emergency power supply to power other USB devices such as mobile phones. The pump also comes with a built-in light that can be used as night lighting or alarm flashing light, making it perfect for nighttime rides. The SN air pump is only 480 grams and has a volume of 6.3 3.5 2.4 inches. It's perfect for outdoor use, and the silicone protective sleeve helps to avoid burning during output. Overall, this pump is perfect for anyone who wants a portable and versatile air pump for their cycling needs. If you're interested in buying this SN air pump, the link is in the description below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more gadget reviews.